Itgalut, chapter 9. The fifth Malach sounded, and I saw a star from the sky which had fallen to the earth. The key to the pit of Tehom was given to him. He opened the pit of Tehom, and smoke went up out of the pit, like the smoke from a burning furnace. The sun and the air were darkened because of the smoke from the pit. Then out of the smoke came forth locusts on the earth, and power was given to them, as the scorpions of the earth have power. They were told that they should not hurt the grass of the earth, neither any green thing, neither any tree, but only those people who don't have Elohim's seal on their foreheads. They were given power not to kill them, but to torment them for 5 months. Their torment was like the torment of a scorpion when it strikes a person. In those days, people will seek death, and will in no way find it. They will desire to die, and death will flee from them. The shapes of the locusts were like horses prepared for war. On their heads were something like golden crowns, and their faces were like people's faces. They had hair like women's hair, and their teeth were like those of lions. They had breastplates like breastplates of iron. The sound of their wings was like the sound of chariots, or of many horses rushing to war. They have tails like those of scorpions, and stings. In their tails they have power to harm men for 5 months. They have over them as king the Malach of Tehom. His name in Hebrew is Abaddon, but in Greek he has the name Apollyon. The first Oi is past. Behold, there are still 2 Ois coming after this. The sixth Malach sounded. I heard a voice from the horns of the golden altar which is before Elohim, saying to the sixth Malach who had 1 shofar, "Free the 4 Malachim who are bound at the great river Perat." The 4 Malachim were freed, who had been prepared for that hour and day and month and year, so that they might kill 1/3 of mankind. The number of the armies of the horsemen was 200 million. I heard the number of them. Thus I saw the horses in the vision, and those who sat on them, having breastplates of fiery red, hyacinth blue, and sulfur yellow, and the heads of lions. Out of their mouths proceed fire, smoke, and sulfur. By these 3 plagues were 1/3 of mankind killed, by the fire, the smoke, and the sulfur, which proceeded out of their mouths. For the power of the horses is in their mouths and in their tails. For their tails are like serpents and have heads, and with them they harm. The rest of mankind, who were not killed with these plagues, didn't repent of the works of their hands, that they wouldn't worship Shedim and the idols of gold and of silver and of brass and of stone and of wood, which can neither see nor hear nor walk. They didn't repent of their murders, nor of their sorceries, nor of their sexual immorality, nor of their thefts.